I love this park because it offers a peaceful escape where you can slow down, breathe in the fresh air, and simply be present in the moment. Hi, I'm Jamie Bakari with St. Johns County Parks and Recreation. Alpine Groves Park is a must-do experience in the St. Augustine area. Alpine Groves Park offers a perfect blend of relaxation, adventure, and education. So if you're a nature lover, history buff, or looking for a family-friendly outing, this park is a must-visit destination. Alpine Groves is located off of historic State Road 13 in the northwest area of the county along the beautiful St. Johns River. The property is filled with a number of beautiful canopies, particularly our oak trees and our magnolia trees within this region. The park has about a mile worth of paved sidewalk that you can stroll whether you are walking your dog or your toddler on a bike, but the main draw to this property is the view of the St. Johns River. This park is used on a regular basis to host living history events, along with just family activities to bring the public out to this location. The Bennett House was the original farmhouse that was on the property when the county purchased it. Our friends of Alpine Groves come out here on the weekends and they create the lifestyle of what the families that lived on this farm property would have been doing. Another must-do recommendation is Ancient City Farmstead, a rustic wedding and event venue with a historic barn, stables, and beautiful farmhouse. Check out their events for the whole community, like farmers markets and seasonal festivals. So come on out and enjoy a relaxing day along St. Johns River at our beautiful Alpine Groves Park.